Hi, it's time for another Stitch Fix box. This will be my 10th so far. I'm 55 years old, I'm 5'2", and I weigh a little under 110 pounds. If you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a styling service where they send you 5 items whenever you set it. You can set it for once a month, every other week if you were so inclined, once a year, twice a year. It's completely up to you. You spend $20 for the styling fee. There's no cost to ship back, everything back or to ship to you. And if you buy all of the items, you get 25% off the total cost. If you buy one item even, you get that $20 that you invested initially off the cost of that one item or 2 items or whatever it is that you want to keep. So it's really fun. I always thought it was for people who had a lot of money or just people who were extravagant. But I found that it is really helpful in finding new items if you don't love to go into the mall or the different stores or even to purchase things online. This is really fun because you put in your preferences online, you fill out a profile, and then they pick things out for you and send them to you. So far I have gotten at least 1 or 2 things from every single box, and a couple of times I've gotten all of the items in the box and gotten my 25% off. So if you're interested, I'll link it down below. If you want to use my link, you get $25 off and I get $25 off, and it's just a great deal. So let me go ahead and show you what I got in this box. The first thing I'll show you is a graphic tee by Good Human. This is really really cute. I like the color. I like the little saying. It's an extra small. Okay, this is 92% modal and 8% spandex. So it's got that really kind of silky, slinky sort of feel to it. It's kind of long. Because I'm petite, sometimes t-shirts get overwhelming to me and they cover everything like you would if you were wearing leggings, if you wanted to cover everything up. So this one looks a little bit long, but I do like it. I think it's really cute, so we'll see. Then the next thing in the box are these shorts. And I live in Colorado, so these I think would be great for hiking and taking walks. They're kind of utilitarian looking. And they are by, let's see, by Market & Spruce. And they are a size 2. And they're the Camellia double button cargo short. I really like the color. Here's the back. They're not high-waisted. They're a little bit low-waisted, so we'll have to see how that works. But they look cute. I like them. And then we have a dress by Lily Pulitzer. It's 100% cotton, and it is a small. I like this pretty periwinkle blue and white. And if you look real close, there are foxes within that white pattern. And then you've got these little pom-poms on both of the sleeves, the double layer of them. And it looks like it goes down to the knee. Just kind of a shift style dress. It's cute. I like the color. I like the foxes. We'll see what that looks like on. And then the last clothing item is by Leota. It's the Emma knit dress in cobalt. This one's a small petite. It's got little flutter sleeves, this pretty blue with white and kind of a magenta dot in there. No zipper or anything, no pockets, just a pullover, and then that wrap detail in the front and that neckline there. So last thing we have are these shoes. And I did ask for wedges. Here is the wedge. It's very feminine, good for dresses, not too tall, which I like. The cork heel. This feels man-made up here. It doesn't feel like leather or suede. But I like the color. I like the really light, kind of neutral color. So let me get to trying these on and I'll let you know what I think. All right, here is the Good Human t-shirt. It's really silky and soft. I like the short sleeves. I like the color. It feels really good, but I think it's just too long. I got a t-shirt in my last box. I'll go ahead and link it, that hits me right where it should. This one is a little bit too long. I would have to do a half tuck. I don't tuck in my shirts. My body, I carry my weight in my middle. I don't have a real super defined waist, and I feel most comfortable if my shirts are not tucked in. So I could do the half tuck like this, but I would have to, I think, with the shape of this shirt. If you're taller, it's really cozy, really, really super, like I said, silky and soft and cute. These shorts, these Market and Spruce shorts, fit me really, really well. They have 2 pockets at the back. They have these slip pockets, and then they have this little pocket up here that unbuttons, like for keys or chapstick or whatever you want to put in there. I probably won't use that pocket, but they are not high-waisted. They come up, they're a little bit lower than I'm used to, maybe mid-rise, and they have these big belt loops, and I will probably use really thick belt loops. I will probably use a belt with this just because now I'm used to higher rise pants, and so this feels like it's going to kind of slip off, but it won't. It's a good fit for me, and I know I will use these all summer long. These are just a good color, a good length. They're not too short and they're not too long for my height. So I could hike around and climb and do all kinds of fun things without having to worry about anything with these shorts. So I think for sure I'm going to get these. I'm a little iffy, even though this t-shirt's cute. I'll be right back. Here are the Paloma wedges and the knit pom-pom sleeve dress. I love the colors in this dress. I absolutely love the foxes that are in it, but I hate the pom-poms on the sleeves. I am not as fashionable maybe as some of you out there. You might love this detail. I think it makes my arms look larger and strange. It's just an easy to wear dress, but I'm not going to get it because I can't stand these pom-poms. And I think over time, even with hand washing, that the pom-poms on the sleeves would start to show age and wear far faster than the actual dress itself. So no on this dress, and it's too expensive as well. She went a little bit above what I would, what I had down as my preferences for cost for a dress. And then these Paloma wedges, I love. I think they're so pretty. Really, really like them. I think they're feminine and comfortable, the perfect height, not too tall. They are just a really pretty sandal, really pretty wedge. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try on the last dress. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the last item. This is the Leota dress. I really like it. There's something about the top I'm unsure about. I'm not a huge fan of flutter sleeves. I prefer a short sleeve, but this I really, really like, especially from here down. It's made out of polyester and spandex. It's really, you know, flippy and flowy and easy to take care of. You don't have to dry clean it. I really like it. It's flattering, I think. It's a good length. You just pull it over your head. There's no zipper in the back. I'm just unsure about this sort of neckline. So there's part of me that loves it, and then part of me is not quite sure about it. So this is going to be a tough call. It is really comfortable. I could see myself throwing it on and just going out and having a good time. So I don't know. Let me know what you think, and I will get back to you. If I had not already bought wedges, then I would definitely be purchasing these wedges. I think they were really pretty, feminine, looked great with those casual spring, summertime dresses. I'm for sure going to be getting the Market and Spruce shorts. They're great for where I live. I think they're practical. I will be wearing them all summer long. I love these. And then I'm on the fence about this blue dress. I love the blue. I love how swingy the skirt is, but it's the upper part, you know, that I'm just not real sure about. So I'm going to see what my husband thinks and try it on a little bit more, but I am on the fence. Let me know what you think about this Leota dress. So try Stitch Fix. Do a little spring cleaning in your closet. Get some new pieces. Even if you do it just once, it's a really fun experience, and it's just kind of a treat. Maybe for Mother's Day, it is really fun to try. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.